Okay, so it's a 2-bar pattern. If we take a look at the PDF, you'll see there's 2 bars there. And I played it a couple different ways. One, if you look at the first bar, the hi-hat opens on beat 1. I played it one way where the hi-hat stays open for the entire quarter note, all the way to beat 2, and then I also played it where it actually closes on the and of 1. I sort of hear that happening a couple different ways. So, taking a look at the first bar, what we're going to do is we're going to play 1 E and by itself. So 1 E and 1 E and then 2 E and goes 2 E and So you got hi-hat and snare on 2, hi-hat and a 2, snare on ah, 2 E and Beat 3 is just hi-hat by itself. 3 and a 3 has open hi-hat and. So you got 3 E and then 4 E and. So the first half, 1 E and 2 E and Second half, 3 E and 4 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Put the whole thing together for the first bar. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. I like to count 16th notes if I have 16th notes in the bar, and it gets my brain thinking 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E. 1 E get That's the sort of thing that goes on in my head. So you want to count 16th notes through all of it if you can. So let's do the whole bar slowly. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Practice that till you get that solid. Second bar has a hi-hat on 1, snare drum on E, open hi-hat and bass drum on and. So you get 1 E and 1 E and then you get 2 E and put them together. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and goes 3 E and 3 E and right? So 2 E and 3 and 2 E and 3 E and. Does that make sense? 3 E. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E together. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and. Then on 4 you got hi-hat and snare, and a 4 hi-hat and bass drum. 4 E and. So all together, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Then you put the 2 bars together. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 2 E and 3 4 E and. All right, and so you want to start slow, just break it down like that. When you get to the solo part, it's the same kind of thing. 1 E and 2 E. He does the same kind of thing. He's just moving the E's and Ahs around on the toms. So I'll play it like full speed kind of thing. So start slow and then gradually increase your speed. For me, I like to add more grace notes. So if I was just playing in the band and wasn't trying to nail it exactly, I would be adding in more stuff, probably more like this. However, I do like the simplicity of his beat, because the beat sounds busier than it really is. All right, so that's Cold Sweat. Woohoo!